So here is a letter writing to the CRS at Metro. Thank you for the new account, 961782313, sold with phone, model LG MS450, which I paid cash, as you confirmed. Here's the phone. The phone number Metro assigned is 415-240-3311, and with the phone information, detail and agreement. So here's all the information for the phone and the SIM. Information, please notify me in writing. And then here's the agreement. She approved the number, no email, and I will not notify in writing if my address changes, and I do not give up my rights per Constitution 1980. Here's the account number, phone number, the 11th, it's 25, and emotional plan, and then here's all the device info. And then here's the SIM info. So I'm sending it to her, and I made a copy. She has the original right there. See, here's the information from the box, and here is it from the inside of the phone.